Meta Smart Glasses not showing up in Bluetooth list. Step 1. Check power and battery. Make sure your glasses are powered on, with indicator light should appear. If they don't light up, place them in the case and charge for at least 30 minutes. Step 2. Activate pairing mode. Open the MetaView app on your phone. Go to the device connection section and follow prompts to enter pairing mode. The LED should flash blue when ready to pair. Step 3. Toggle Bluetooth and restart phone. Turn Bluetooth off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Restart your smartphone. Scan again for available Bluetooth devices. Step 4. Move closer and reduce interference. Keep your glasses within a few feet on your phone. Avoid other wireless devices or metal objects that can block the signal. Step 5. Factory reset smart glasses. Ensure glasses are charged, and while charging, hold the capture and power buttons for 10 to 15 seconds until the light flashes, then turns white. Repair through the MetaView app setup.